kasi
Looks
kung
like I
anong
fell
meron sa
asleep.
game
It's
na
almost
kaysa
midnight.
animatronics.
What is it?
Okay.
Strange. No one else should be here. I'll go check.
Wait. Pick up a flashlight, look at it, and press the action button. And click on the button with the flashing image.
Yes, the tablet. The
Okay.
department relies too much on this new monitoring system. At this rate, they'll soon give us a joystick and a lightsaber.
Ay! Napindot ko skip! Sorry.
What a terrible dream! It is
Anong
midnight.
nangyari? Na-skip ko
Time to go home. Night call. Let's hope nothing serious.
Hello, Bishop.
Hello, Bishop?
Marvelous night, isn't it? I'm sure you don't remember me. A lot of time has passed since our last meeting. How do you like the new surveillance system? One
Yo.
day, you took everything I had, and now it's time to pay.
Ano yun? Ano?
In this
What?
building, there are some echoes of the past. Try to collect them so we can see who you really are.
Yo.
What a psycho!
Yeah, I think that
What
was
happened
a
with the
psychopath.
lights? Is this some kind of deja vu?
Wait, what? I'm fine.
I should go check out the fuse box in the control room.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, ala dyan. Ayun na naman. Ang aralisig din ng horror game. Okay, what is this? The door is locked. The door is locked. Of course, lahat naman locked. Ewan na to. Oh! Nag-on yung mata pero anong password? 8389? 8389? Para saan yun? Pero tatandaan ko 8389. Ewan ko kung para saan yan pero What the heck? Wait, ano to? Dito ko ipuput yung passcode. 8389.
Well,
Ayun.
I need to find the electrical panel.
Ano to? Oh, yun. Ito ba? Yup.
That's good. Now I need to turn on the second fuse box.
Okay, the second electrical panel. Sure.
Holy shit!
Oh, wow, wag ka mag-cast. Chill ka lang. Nag-record ako. Chill. Oh, ayun, yung phone.
Well, starting to remember? How do you like my gift? Like it? Like it? It loves to play.
Ha? Oh! From the animatronics in the locker room. Huh? Wait, what? Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way not. Ain't no way! Okay, sorry to hindi ako lumalabas. Takot ako lumabas eh. Nandun po siya ata. I know my footstep. I know, listen. I know yung parang metal na maapak. I know siya. Woo! Pagkatawag. Okay, okay. Find the key card in the locker room for the door with blue indicator. Ano yan? Okay. Am I gonna find it right here? No. Oh wait, ano to? Oh,
Looks like it is the key card for some door.
Yo! Ano yun? Parang may What? May footstep. Tago muna tayo. Ayun yung metal na footstep. Listen. Rinig nyo yun? Malapit lang sa akin eh. I don't know if I should get out. Oh. Oh my God. Yun. Oh, ano yun? Ano yun? Oh. Wait, ano yun? Turn on the second. Ito yun? Wait, what?
Well, now it seems the whole building is lit.
Nagpanic yan. Ano yun? Sa'yo na. Sa'yo na.
Sick bastard! A giant cat! What else can you think of? I should avoid the ventilation tubes.
Wait, what? Find Ben's
The tablet battery is empty. I remember there was a charger in Ben's room.
What do you mean? What's bro mean? Nasaan ba yung room ni Ben? Ewan. Ewan ko. Ba't ka tinatanong sarili ko? Diyan? Oh, yun, Ben.
The lock is broken.
The lock is broken. Wait.
The
find
pick
lock
locks from the
making
evidence storage could solve the problem.
Evidence warehouse. Ano to?
I think I'm starting to understand where these giant toys came from.
Cameras. Wait, ito yung warehouse.
They were evidence from one of the cases. That explains a lot.
Dito ako, so we can go to the warehouse so quickly. Pero hindi lang yung kadali kasi merong animatronics sa hallway. Yup. Sabi na. Okay, may camera ako sa ano. I mean, this helps me a lot. Ano yun? Yung shadows na yun. Tago ka na, boy. May nakita ako. So, dalawa sila? Kadaya. Wait, ano to? Oh, I can... Wait, ano tong you? Yo, wait, what? Yo, what is that? Paano hindi nakita yung flashlight ko na sumindi? Tanga ka ba? A1? Nandun pala siya babalik. Serious right now, bro. Ha! Wait, what? Ano nangyari? Umakit siya doon? Ang galing. Wait. Oh, punta siya doon. I will just run. Since I'm scared, I will just run. Ito ba yung warehouse? I think ito nga yung warehouse na sinasabi. Kasi kung chinek ko sa tablet ko, may nakita dito tayo kasi nandun yung yung A1 ba? So, nandito may lockpick. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa ko dito, pero I'm try ko nandito yung lockpick. I'm just gonna find it. Kung sakali nandito. Ano ba yung tumutunog? What is that? Dito? Oh, ito ba? Oh yeah, ito nga.
Bingo! Let's try to open the door.
Opens vents. Okay, babalik tayo. Okay. Yo, what? Paano ko? What the? Wait, what? Ano yan?
That's just great.
Hide. Oh, yep. We will hide niya. Sabi na eh. Hide from the animatronics in the closet. Okay, di po nag-cheating ah. Kung sasabi nyo nag-cheating ako, wala akong pake. Kasi ito po, meron pong hint dito kaya ko po alam.
They're obviously being controlled by someone. It seems that someone got access to our network.
Yo! Yup. I have to run. Yo! I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead! I lied! Ah! Ito. Lubat na yung ano ko eh. Hindi ito pa siya. Paano ko ma-open yung ano ni Ben? Yung pintuan. Lubat to. Wala na. Yo, makakatakot to. Parang kaya ako na maglaro ng word. Nandun siya. Okay. We have to be sneaky kasi nandun sila. So, now, Ben's... Ito yung bed, diba? Okay, ano to? Wait, what? Huh? Oh, okay. Gets. Yun, I knew it. Okay. Close that door. Play the mini game on Ben's.
It's weird that the charger is off.
What?
Let's see what's on a computer screen.
Huh?
I knew it. The virus.
What?
What is it? Is it a game?
Oh, dun,
So, you want me to go through it?
galit siya. Wait, ano to? Oh, yep, okay. Ito ba? Yep, ito nga, yep.
Oh, now the charger is working. I can charge the tablet.
Okay, we need to charge the... Ang dami kong gagawin, guys. Kung sasabi niyo mag-cheating, ala akong pakialam. Ala po ako, hindi po nag-cheating or anything. Ayun, keycard.
Looks like it is the key card for some door.
Anong i-unlock ko? I-unlock ko. Nila i-unlock ko dun. Wait lang, charge na ba yung battery? Hindi pa. Ihintayin po na natin mag-charge. Bago tayo lumabas kasi alam ko yung mga creature na yan, yung mga creature na putik na yan, ahabulin tayo. Ganun yun eh. Let's see. My battery. Okay, hindi pa 100. Let me hide lang para sure. Para sure, diba? Wag na nga tayo magtago. I don't know if they can see me. Yeah, nakatago nga ako. No way na makikita. No way makikita nila ako, right? Right? Search ka na, bilis! Oh, okay. Heck no. Pupunta sila dito. Yun yung footstep. May footstep, I'm not dumb. Kala mo naririnig ko footstep mo, boy. Di ako tungak. No, dun ka na. Kala mo naririnig ko footstep mo, boy. Hindi ako B.O.B.O. Huwag mo gawing B.O.B.O. Oh, yun. Oh my god. Okay. Let's see what is the charge. Oh, 98. One more. Come on. 100% ka na. Para magamit na kita. Please. 100 na ba? Di pa rin. Tagal mo naman mag 100. Sure na lang guys kung iniintay ko yung tablet kasi malaking useful yan kasi yung mga cameras. 99. Is there something? Ako lang ba to? Or merong naglalakad? Yup, meron nga. Alala mo na. Tangak ko. Wala naman naglalakad eh. Okay. Ito na, 100 na yan. Okay lang yan. Okay na yan. Ganyan naman na din yan eh. So, ewan ko. Wait, 86? What do you mean 86? A4? Ha? Halaman. Uy. Why is my... Uy. Ba't hindi gumagana? Are you serious? Huwag mo sabihin lobat na din yung aking. Putik na yan. Lobat na din. Yup, I will pretend I didn't see that. I'll pretend I didn't see that. So, nasan yung red door? Ayun, nandito. So, wait, nandito yung animatronics. Hindi ako makakapunta dyan. Pero, iwan, napunta na natin itong hallway. So, kung punta tayo dito, meron pang animatronic dyan. Which means nakakainis. Pero, ito siya doon. Ito yung hallway. So, pupunta tayo dito at saka dito. Okay. Kung saan ko inon yung pinaka ano. Okay. Alam ko na siya kung nasaan. Pero, ewan ko kung merong nakabantay dyan o wala. Sasarado ko lang to. Yup. Okay. Yup. Tama lang ako.
What do you want me to remember?
Yup.
You said that I took everything from you. My first call, I remember it. A complete failure, even for a rookie like me who had just graduated from the academy.
Oh my God.
Scott
Na-fail
DJ,
ka pa?
his
Ano,
wife and
exam?
child were killed, and Scott ended up in intensive care.
Na-fail ka sa
Why did he
exam on
refuse
sakit.
to speak with me? Is it because I didn't catch the killer? This is silly. He only
Oh my
made it
God, ano
worse.
yun?
Either way, he clearly blames me for what happened.
Oh na.
Oh, damn cat. Not now.
Sabi na may parang hearing button sa gitna ko eh. Kaya, buwis naman na pusang to.
Get out of here already.
Can you like get out first? Thank you. So that I can call this
Still
guy.
alive, Bishop? Bravo!
Bravo.
You are a good mouse for my cat. I like playing with you. There is a card in a safe behind you. It is
Oh,
the key
okay.
card to the interrogation room. Mouse deserves a little piece of cheese. Do try to stay alive until 3 o'clock in the morning. If
3
you make
o'clock
it,
in the
you'll
morning?
get the key.
The
To survive in this hell until 3 a.m.? Fucking son of a bitch. Holy crap.
Wait,
Oh,
there's
great.
the
He turned off the ventilation?
You stay in a room.
I really need to find a way to reset the ventilation system at the control room.
Okay,
This
so
sick
stay
bastard obviously
daw
wants
tayo
me
dito.
to suffer. I must hold on until 3 a.m. I need that key.
Ano daw tayo, mag-stay daw tayo dito. AFK tayo. Friend. So check ko lang yung mga animatronic ko nandyan. So, ba't may kulay green na ano? Bakit may kulay green na marka? Marka. Ba't may kulay green na mark yung D8? Is that meaning something? Or ala? Check ko lang yung mga animatronics kung nasan sila. Yo. Okay. Okay, off this. Yo, nahihilo tayo. Ano nangyayari? Yo.
I must hold on until 3 a.m. I need that key.
Yeah, we are doing it. Whew. We can do this. Okay, wait lang. Oh, shit. Ipa-epal. Wait lang. Oo, sabi na may pa-epal. Ano, doon ka na. Epal. Wait, what? What?
I must hold on until 3 a.m. I need that key.
Ano nga 3 AM? Na ano nga? Nakita niya tayo ano gagawin ko? Nung you must hold on, namatay ka nga. I think bawal ko ano yung flashlight, kaya ganun. Okay, I will just AFK there. I'll see you guys. Nag-AFK tayo. So, apparently, kung matagal to, sigurado. Kasi 3 AM siguro mga 3 hours yun. Kasi parang 12 AM na ata. Hindi, 00:00 PM na nakita natin sa simula sa computer. So, ewan ko anong oras yun. Maybe mga 2 hours, 4 hours, gano'n.
I must hold on until 3 a.m. I need that key.
You need that freaking what? Key card ba or key? Ano ba talaga? Ang gulo mo. Ewan ko anong gagawin. Ano yan? Chill, ano yun? Oh my god, I'm dying. Ain't no way. Ain't no way makikita na naman tayo nito. Please wag. Buti ka na. Oh my god, nandyan lang siya.
I must hold on until 3 a.m. I need that key.
Yeah, we are doing it. Oh, there. Get the key card for the door with a yellow indicator from the safe. Okay, so we finish it. Let's go. Pero itong buwisit na to nakabantay, so hindi pa tayo makakakuha nun. Kasi kung gumalaw ako, for sure, maririnig tayo ng kupal na yan. So yung best way ko dito ay intayin ko siyang mawala. Ganun yun. Kasi kung wait, teleport ba siya? What the okay lang yan, pero igigita daw natin yung key sa safe ba? Where's the key? I cannot see anything. Yan.
Looks like it is the key card for some door.
For some door, I don't know what I'm talking about, pero tago muna tayo dito. Now, check ko kung nasan yung yellow key card ba. Okay, so nandito tayo. B8 yung yellow key card, so saan kaya to? I got too much question kung nasan tong door. Huh? B8. Is someone in the room? Oh, anong ginagawa? Yup, nandito na yan pupunta. Yup, I knew it. Pero, I think B8 tayo. So, pupunta tayo dito. Nakikita nyo parang bilog. Ayan yung pinopoint ko. So, pupunta tayo dito. So, nandito tayo, diba? Pwede tayo pupunta dito. I think merong daan dito. So, pwede tayo dito. Or dito yung daan. Or dito yung daan. Baka nandito yung pinto or nandito yung pinto. May dalawang option tayo. Nandito ba yung pinto or nandito yung pinto. Kasi doon malapit yung ano. So, mahirap to. I think pupunta dito. So, pero check ko lang kung nasa yung mga animatronic. Kasi alam niyo na kung hindi ko yung chinek, Deadpool tayo. Okay, sana na lang ala yung animatronic. Kasi sigurado ako nandito yung ano. So, yup, I knew it. Nandito nga. Tama lang. Okay, ano gagawin ko dito? Holy Sino yan? Hello? Ay nako, ano na naman?
It seems you have met another one of my creations. Your luck surprises me. Okay, that's it. No more toys went on a hunt. Turn around. Surprise!
Ha? What? Wait, don't turn away from the owl while looking at you. Okay, yeah. You use the battery back to turn on the audio. Okay. Oof, okay. I think ako linopsin ko yung door, hindi. Enter the archive. Nasa yung archive? Oh! Nandun pala siya. Hala. Okay, so hindi ko na ibubuksan kasi I think it's a trap. Saan ang nandun? Enter the, archive. Oh, heck no. Pupunta. Ay, nako, yung pinto dito. We have to run. Yo, mag-guide ka na, bilis. I have to turn off my flashlight now para safety. I don't know. Oh, yup. Off ko lang yung tablet. Para sure. Natatakot ako. I'm shivering. Ay, nako, nandito pa rin. Pwede ko siyang umalis? Or pwede na tayo? I think we have to make a run for it. Ay, nako. Habulan ba? Ge. I think wait lang. I think yung cabinet pwede natin pagganuhan. So, yung gagawin ko, ang intense na to pero woo! Yup! We have to make a run. Of course. Dito! Yup. I have to check the cameras. Okay, so pwede natin to pagtaguan. Which means a good sign. Wait, ba't niya tinitignan? Puto. Sabi na kaya niya tinitignan eh. Kaya niya tinitignan kasi nakita niya ako. Ang galing. Ayun na naman. Checkpoint na naman. Balik na naman tayo dito. Sa kabusitan. Okay, pupunta na tayo dito. I think yung kasi, pupunta tayo dito tsaka pa doon. Oh, pupunta na naman tayo doon. Okay. Let's go. Not you again. Ba't ba sobrang epal? Pero naman tayo unlimited lives kaya no worries, mamatay. Ay, nako. Okay, fine. Pupunta na tayo. Okay, huwag ka matakot. Okay. Huwag ka matakot. What? Matatakot ako! Joke lang. Matatakot ako. Sorry, daddy. I'm sorry, Daddy. What? Ba? Ano ba meron? Bakit ba palaging ganun? Okay, fine. Let's go. I don't care na. Jumpscare door hindi. Ay, yung pala nandito lang. Yo. Nandito na naman yan. Ito ba yung archive room? Yup, ito nga. Ay, nako. Ano naman? Ganyan. Ganito. Okay. Ano? Ano to? Ito ba? Oh, ayun. Why not? Ano na naman? What do you want?
Dragged on, Bishop, and you played by the rules. I can't let you get away with the files.
What
You
the
know, this
people?
reminds me of Emma. I miss her.
You miss what?
I made that bastard
Ayaw ba yung
scream
pumatay?
and
Ano ba?
cry.
Ano bang mayroon sa game na to? I don't know what is the
And I
true story.
realized that I must
Ano to?
punish
True
you
story or
for what
something?
you've done.
Ano
It's
to?
a pity
May
that
hanap
my
tayo.
toys aren't good enough.
Parang wala
No,
naman.
but
Itong
we might
box.
be able to increase
What a
the power
shame my
of it.
toys aren't good enough.
Goodbye,
But
Bishop.
it was fun
playing with you.
fun playing with you. Find the key for the police station exit on one animatro. Muntikan. Wait, what? Ba't sila nag-disable? Uy. Uy. No, ano yun? Wait. Find the key for the police exit on one of... okay. So, one of this, ano ba tawag dito? One of this animatronic, merong, ano dito, may key. Okay. Okay, gets. Okay, let's go. I don't know where I'm going, pero... Ala ba dito? Ano? Pinapatay mo kanina? Hindi, joke lang. Okay. Nasaan pa yung isa? Yung isa, yung parang bawal ako. Nasaan ba? Ako na yung CCTV na wala kasi. Yung isa pang animatronic. Nasaan pang animatronic? Okay. So, nandito siya. Oh! Uy, about the way. Oh. How am I gonna go? Okay. I don't know what is this. I think I have to restart. Oh my god. I think nagbug yung game. Checkpoint. Ay, nako. Yup. Nagbug nga yung game. Okay, nagbug yung game. Sorry na lang, guys. Sorry na lang kung nagbug yung game, pero one of the animatronics, merong may susi. Pero saan? Saan? Ayun yung ko. Question. Kung nahanap ko yung mga animatronics, yan na yun. O, ito. Baka nasa yung susi. Wala, Nandito ba? Sila. Ano yung dalawa? Baka nandito. Baka nandito. Sa pinaka-room niya. Wala. Ay, ayun. Oh, ito yung...
Looks like it is the key card for some door.
Okay, yup. We have to leave! Let's go! Katapusan! Full gameplay, no? Ang galing. Na full gameplay ko pa siya. Ang galing. Galing ko talaga. Galing na po! full gameplay ko siya. Oh my god, na full gameplay ko. Let's leave. Na full gameplay.
Damn, the card isn't compatible with that
Find the
door.
other key. Are you serious, bro? Nako, mali. Hinahanapin ko na naman yung babaeng animatronic. Gusto ko itong babaeng animatronic. Wait lang, di ba ala ng oxygen? Paano ko nakakahinga? What? Okay, so... ginagawa mo dyan? Yo. Ha? Wala naman ito kanina.
Looks like it is the key card for some door.
Well, I think we can leave. Pero wala naman yung kanina, di ba? Nahanap ko pa nga yung babae. Ganun. Okay, let's go. Oh, wrong. Wrong card. Wrong card yan. Oh, ayun. Never mind. Oh, we leave.
Hello, Bishop.
Wait, what? Last level, Allison. But ending ba yun? Okay, kung na-enjoy nyo naman itong video na to, make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.